Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Mr. Featherfell, and welcome to a pack opening. I was going to do it if the best of the best one came out, but I don't want to, just in case I miss it. So I thought, why not? 12,000 FIFA points. There's like 2 team of the seasons and a team of the week, I think. Oh, fuck, no. How do I look at the team of the seasons? No, stop taking me to packs. How do I look at it? You know what? Wait, is it just that? It's like a Russian league and some of, I'm guessing, it's the Argentine Premier Division as well. But obviously you can see the 3 main ones there. So there's not really special packs because if there was, I'd run out of money. So I think there's 10 of these. I might start with one of these, move on to one of those, do a couple of normal packs. Yeah, let's do that. Let's just start with one of these, just to break it in. Alright. Nothing too special. Bit of Pirlo. It's not what's needed, though. I'll take the fitness. I don't even play FIFA, so I don't even know why I'm doing this. Well, I do play FIFA, just not as much this year. Alright, so that was poor. But this one's going to be better. It's a bigger flare, by the look of it, but slightly, an 83. Oh, God. Yeah, let's just get rid of them all. Set the coins. Right, let's just open some, 15k packs. Even though these have always been dog shit for me. Like that. That was not doing well. Maybe I should have waited for 100k packs and just bought 6 and had that done with it. No, it's fine. It's fine. I usually have good pack luck. Not today. Not today. Not today. Oh, wow. Ooh, I got a lone player. Yeah. Fuck's sakes. Right. Yeah, cheers, guys. I want to walk out. I've only had one walkout, and that was Suarez, like the second pack I opened on this game. That was pretty awesome, to be fair. But, oh wait, I might have had like shit ones. That's a bigger flare. 84, okay. That was a decent flare, but we need those blue flares. There's a couple of good players in there, but we're not keeping any of them. Because fuck it. Alright, I have no idea how many packs I've opened so far. Not too many, but that's a decent flare. Oh, walkout! Is it? Wait. The Fabregas. It started playing horror music in my ear then, I swear. Oh, is that all it was? I thought... Damn it. I'll keep Fabregas though, okay. Fabregas is kind of cool. We've got a walkout. Those are the ones I mean, like where you get like Busquets and things like that. And you're just there like, okay, don't waste my time. Oh, you troll! It's blue though! Holy shit! 92 base, 92 shooting! Hey, dribbling! Ho! He loves the blue. Nice! Oh, he plays for Juventus. I kind of like Juventus. I'm a Liverpool fan, but Juventus and Atletico are my second, third favourite teams. Oh. Told you, got that packed up. More, give me another. Did we just have a walkout followed by a team of the season? God, if it was like anyone in the Spanish league though, I think it would have gone even worse. That looked really bad. Was that an Aston Villa? Oh wow. Who the fuck are you? Right, come on. Give me more. Oh! No. No. Am I the only one baffled there's like no flags or anything? That was confusing, that one, because it was... What? Who are you? Are you just... Okay. I'm confused by that one. That one's confused me, because I'm not quite sure... That didn't look like the team of the season I just had, as in that had like a gold strip. I'll take it, it's blue, but... Yo! Now I'm baffled a little bit. It's like 3 little flares. Don't want little flares, we want the big boy blues. Just know it wasn't very good. I mean, my tip, you know, because you are a Liverpool player. We will oh, there's not that. Oh. Right. Come on, keep me up with high spirits. Not really there, is it? Not really. We need blues. And blue dabba dee dabba die. Oh wow, we've almost already gone through half the points. I don't care unless you're amazing. Oh. Come on. Why? I thought it was... No, it wasn't. John Stones, what a piece of shit he is. Right, alright, I'm gonna try open one of these again. That was a big flare. Laporte, I think. Yeah. Oh, he's decent. Not good enough, though. Should I try one with coins? No, let's have one more. Not good enough, bro. Not, is that... It begins with a B. I can't remember what his name is, so I'm sure. Yeah. Bakambu. Do you mind coming online right now? Alright, back to these. These have done me well. I just want any Spanish one now. Any Spanish league one. Oh, I'll take another. Okay, that'll do. Oh. No. Today. Solid centre back, but not what's needed. Oh, Salah. Wasn't he team of the season? Getting linked with Liverpool again. I just don't want him. Right, here we go. This is the one, I believe. Bastard. Right, come on. How it goes so quickly, points do on this game. You're just not what's required right now. Right, one more. And then I think we'll try a different one again. It seemed so promising, but then the tiniest of flares came out. Wow. Let's try some coins on one of these. No, really isn't. It's really not happening for me, is it? No. Luckily, it does get quite a bit of coins. So let's try one more coins. Fuck you. I'm just not... I'll get 5k back at least. Right, come on. This is the one. I believe. I don't believe. Oh, for fuck's sake. Who's that? Oh, more. I forgot you're making. Ooh. Really? Not a single, like, shiny player there. Okay, these gone downhill. Like, these have dramatically gone downhill. Let's try another big one. Oh. Oh, this has gone downhill, really, hasn't it? I'm just not getting anyone now. Since I got that second one, jack shit's happened. Come on. God damn it. Oh, Lana though. I just want. I'm down to the last, like, 2 packs, really. Bravo. Not really a Bravo fan. Oh, I can't. Oh, another 500. Well, I guess that's it. That was a bit shit. I wonder. Just for the sake of it, what's in here? Oh, I wonder what I got. Don't care. Really don't care. I'm 5k off one last pack. Look at that team, though. I didn't get any of those. What did I get? Oh yeah, all me stupid loan things that you get. That is a fucking sick card. There's none on the market. Let's fucking just list him then. I don't really give a shit. Oh, he's worth fuck all. You know what? There you go. There's me. Oh no, that's fun. I'm not discarding a team of the year. Can't do that, can I? Let's just make some room. Oh shit! He already sold. Wow. Okay. I guess we're getting some more packs, guys. I just wanted to finish off those promo ones, to be honest. And I got just enough, by the looks of it. May as well. That's a big flare. Not big enough, though. It's an 84, probably Coque again. Yep. Okay. I wish I hadn't sold him. No, he did have 6 stats, to be fair. I shouldn't have sold him. Ah, well. That's a big flare. Yeah, again, only an 84 though, isn't it? Oh, 85. Oh, fair enough. I was wrong, I guess. Oh, there you go. That's the last one of those, so I think that's pretty much it. Oh! No. Spanish. Yes! Ram. Oh, Iniesta? No? Who are you? Who are you? Really? Who are you? To be fair, you've got 90 passing, 91 dribbling. Please be worth something. Ooh, oh. He's worth 50k. You know what? I got one from every league. That made it worth it almost. Almost. You know, well, fuck it. I can't bother keeping all of this shit. May as well see if I can get one last thing here. You know what? I'll take a Firmino. Huh. And this will be the last one. And here you go. It's a big flare. Hummel. How is he not a walkout? Huh. Oh, I got some decent players. May as well. May as well. Imagine I got someone then. Wait, if I can get one. Oh, we can get one more. Alright, that's definitely it. Nope. Okay. Well, guess that'll do.